So my name is Gianluca, and I've been involved with Heroic for a little bit over a year. While I was in a kind of a change in my own personal life, I came across the platform, and there was a video from the CEO, Brian Johnson. And the way he spoke and he explained the things that the Heroic was doing really resonated with me. And I really liked the research that's behind what he does and what he teaches, and the goal that his company has. This is the first time I come to a weekend with Heroic. It was amazing to meet so many people that are like-minded. You have a clear measure of how many people are invested in doing this. It's not just about me, how do I get better? It's about how do I get better and start creating a ripple effect to grab people with me, and those people can grab other people with me, and then we can all work together to make this happen. For as crazy as it sounds, I think, we can do this. I feel that these are my people. It's amazing to be able to be in the same room and gather that energy to take with me. So I was so excited, not to mention that some people I saw on the calls I could meet in person. And it's an adventure. Life is an adventure, and this is part of the adventure. And when you go and travel to the place where you find the other people that can be in that adventure with you, it's just exhilarating, I would say.